Hey everyone, welcome to 1064 Apple Blossom Lane right here in the adorable town of Corona. Now, one of the things I love about Corona is the manicured neighborhoods, the expansive lots, the beautiful homes, and really just a great hometown feel. Let's take a look. Now, one of my most favorite things about this home is the wide open feel. Now, here in the great room kitchen, of course, you have an island, you have a peninsula, and I really love how it's open from the kitchen to the family room. And once again, the high ceilings just make it feel really light and bright. The other thing in this room that I really love is the fireplace. Lends a little coziness to the room. Also, the living room, dining room. When you walk in the doors, it's just so open. There's plenty of room for family and to entertain. Now, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and the 4th bedroom obviously lends itself for a perfect office as you walk in the front door, which is so wonderful for so many people who work from home today. Now, the other thing is, once again, it is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. However, if you'll notice in the master bedroom, it is huge. Now, that's because the master bedroom has a sitting area, which could be converted into a 5th bedroom. So there's a lot of options here for your family. The other thing that so many people really enjoy is an indoor laundry room. You don't have to go out into the garage. You've got the indoor laundry, plenty of room for storage. All the bedrooms are good size. If you'll notice, there's a lot of room in each one of the additional bedrooms. Now, the other thing you might not notice is a 3-car garage. So there's plenty of room for your cars and your toys. In addition to that, you'll notice there's a huge RV parking area. Now, you can fit a motorhome out there, but the other thing that's even better is there is room to park an additional 3 cars out in front. So once again, so many things to love about this home. The number one thing though for me is the light and bright and the vaulted ceilings. It just has a really good vibe. And don't we all love a magical backyard? How about a home that sits on a 9,147 square foot lot, beginning with this adorable side yard, which takes us out to this spectacular backyard area. Now, there's plenty to enjoy out here, including a beautiful patio area, of course, an expansive lawn area, including all of the area above the backyard that just really lends a lot of serenity, peace, and enjoyment for you and your family. Now, you'll also find a fantastic park, which is where I am today. This is Jameson Park. They have wonderful events on the weekend, and of course, a great place to walk your dog, just like my little dog Duffy. And 1064 Apple Blossom is right in the middle of everything. Just a mile away, you'll find In-N-Out Burger, LA Fitness, Home Depot, and so much more. And just 3 miles away, you'll find Dos Lagos Shopping Center and Golf Course. There's hiking trails, plenty of fun annual events such as the Corenberg Renaissance Festival, where you can try your hand at jousting, or how about chowing down on a turkey leg? And don't we all want award-winning schools for our children? Santiago High School is within walking distance. I'm Jules Wilson with Seven Gables Real Estate. I would love to help you make 1064 Apple Blossom Lane your next dream home.